I would disagree to that. With that,
Anybody else? As we go second, please.
I just question a little bit, Joe. How you can save just like Cindy Husband's wrong preparation? How you can save
Cindy husbands? How you can save Cindy?
well, my Cindy husband is not depressed, at least that's what I think. So maybe a wife like me?
We always have an answer, don't you? Guys, let me remind you again. Thank you very much to my panel first. Thank you very much. And let me remind you again, yesterday it was all about youth. Let's encourage them to take over Sana. Please do not leave the room, and Baftawa, the stage is yours.